Hello everyone, this is Manjula from Adarsh Vidyalaya Middle Higher Secondary School, Palada. I am so happy to meet you in this video session. First of all, I thank our Honorable Chairman Sir for giving me this opportunity to meet you through this yoga session. And I also thank our Honorable Dr. Correspondent Ma'am for giving me this opportunity. Thank you sir and thank you ma'am. First of all, I thank all the parents and students for your great support on online classes. And you're all doing a wonderful job. I thank our co-staff for their sincere duty to conduct the classes with the guidance of our educational family management. Thank you everyone. In this quarantine, everyone should be conscious about the health. So, for making you more healthy and to be fit, I just want to share a few tips of yoga which I have learned. Actually, I have completed my MSc M.Ed in Biozoology. I am handling Biozoology for the classes 11 and 12. And also, I am doing exercise and yoga every day as I have learned yoga, that is Diploma in Yoga for Human Excellence and MA Yoga for Human Excellence in Bharathiar University. I have been practicing this yoga for the past few years. I am just getting the healthy aspects because of this yoga which I have learned and doing it every day. So I request every parent and every one of you, if possible, to practice a very simple technique of yoga and some slogans which enhances your health aspect. So first, in yoga, you should know what is yoga. Yoga is a part of our life. It just unites the three things of our life in our body, that is our body, mind and soul. All these three things, if we unite, then it is called yoga. Even everyday life, we used to stand, we used to sit and we used to walk and we used to do a lot of activities. Without knowing, we are doing that yoga exercises. Even if we just wave our hands, it is a kind of yoga. You know that? So it is a physical part of your life that's getting activated. So some slogans are there. The basic slogan of this yoga is the greetings. Whenever you just see a person, if you greet, they will be happy and you also will be happy. So in this Manavalarkalai yoga, I have learned the greetings. Valka Vayakam, Valka Valamudan, Valka Vayakam, and Valka Valamudan. I request everyone who's watching this video to practice these greetings whenever you see a person. Whenever you greet, even you can say the usual greetings like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Along with that, if you say Valka Vayakam, Valka Valamudan, it gives you pleasure and also the opponent whom you are greeting a pleasure aspect. So they feel very happy when they hear Valka Valamudan. And I will tell you the importance of this greetings, Valka Valamudan. So when you say Valka Valamudan, you're getting a happiness without knowing yourself, and you will be improving your positive aspects, and the other person also feel very happy, and he also give the inner feelings of pleasure and energetic. And even scientifically, if we say வாழ்க வளமுடன், we used to fold our tongue and we used to touch the hard palate, that is roof of the mouth. So when we touch the roof of the mouth, it will activate the pituitary gland. It is one of the important and master gland of endocrine system. So pituitary, you all know that pituitary gland controls all other endocrine glands. Our body works with the hormonal secretion. If the hormones are secreted in an optimum manner only, our body will be very fit and healthy. So when you say this வாழ்க வளமுடன், the pituitary gland gets activated, and it will scientifically it will make your body very fit. So this is the scientific fact which is present behind this greeting வாழ்க வளமுடன். It's not only a blessing, and it is proved by the people who experienced it in their everyday life. So when you see the person who is saying வாழ்க வளமுடன், they will just take that from their inner feeling and greet. And the people who have learned the meditation, after doing this meditation, if they do, it will be very, very powerful, and the impact will fall on the other person also. If we say வாழ்க வளமுடன், the other persons will get all the blessings. So suppose if an elder people blesses an youngsters or a children, when you greet your child, I request the parents to say this வாழ்க வளமுடன், to teach your children to say வாழ்க வளமுடன் when they see each other, when they see each other, when they see their friends, when they see their elders, when they see their youngsters, and whomever they come across in their everyday life. Ask them to greet by saying this word வாழ்க வளமுடன். It refers to, the people used to say in Tamil that பதினாறும் பெற்று பெருவாழ்வு வாழ்க. So that is the meaning of this வாழ்க வளமுடன். When we come across this word வாழ்க வையகம், வையகம் in the sense, you know that entire universe or the world. So all the people in the world are related to each other. They are all belonging to human being. So each and every human being you have to see as a friend. So their interpersonal relationship between the states, between the countries, that is between the nations and around the world, it will be improved. So there won't be any enmity, there won't be war. So every people will have a mutual understanding. So let us spread this word வாழ்க வையகம் in the atmosphere. Let everybody in this world gets united. Let us improve the interpersonal relationship. Even when you think that anybody is hurting you, or if anyone tries to hurt you, if you greet them with வாழ்க வளமுடன், their feelings will be changed, their attitude will be changed. So this word changes the attitude of a person in a positive manner. So always good thing will happen, and it makes the person who's uttering the word வாழ்க வளமுடன் happy and make others also happy. So suppose this word can be used, this greetings we can use if a person is feeling sick. If we say வாழ்க வளமுடன், often by just thinking of that person, and if we say வாழ்க வளமுடன், the person may get healed. So that much power is there for these words and the greetings. So it's a blessing which gives a positive effect to the person and to the person who's hearing it. Even we can change our enemy. Even we can change a person who's adamant in certain aspects to be flexible And you can make your child to obey you by uttering this word Valka Valamudan. So I request all the parents to make your child or to make your children to repeat this greetings Valka Valamudan. If they try to learn something subjects or if they try to do any activity before that, make them to utter this word Valka Valamudan and ask them to do the activity. Definitely the result will be a fruitful one. If anyone is preparing for the exam, if anybody is preparing to write test, if anybody is going to write exam, or if anyone is going to take a competitive exam or any interview, or if anyone is going to purchase a vehicle or something for your house or something for your industry, or if you want to develop your industrialization, or if you want to develop your profession, or if you want to develop the economic status of your condition, if you do that thing like a prayer with the word Valka Valamudan, definitely good thing will happen. So with this, I think you all have noticed the importance of the greetings Valka Valamudan. I hope you will be doing this every day. Thank you. Valka Vaiyakam, Valka Vaiyakam, Valka Valamudan.